Okay, I'm going to show you how to install your channel folders. So first of all, we're going to go on the homebrew channel. Okay, and we're going to navigate over till we see WeMod. And then we're just going to go on WeMod. Okay. Now we're going to navigate down to Wide Manager. And click on that. Okay, and go on it in the SD slot. Okay, now you want to navigate down to Channels. Click on that. Okay, now you want to go down and highlight each one of these and then just press the plus button on your remote. And it should pull up a little blue plus beside it. So you're going to go all the way through and put a plus on all of them. Okay, now you just want to, okay, go back and now you want to press A. Okay, and press A. Okay, now it's going to install them one by one. Okay, when it's done, just press any button. Okay, and then when we're finished here, so you just hit the home button on your remote. Don't press anything but the home button, and it should take you back to the loader. Okay, now from here, press the home button. First of all, we're going to go back, because we're not done here. Okay, first of all, we're going to scroll all the way over. Okay, first we're going to install the VBA GX channel installer. So we're going to click on that. We'll give it a second to load. Okay, do you want to install? Yes, you want to install. So click on install. Okay, when it's done, just click OK. Okay, now we're going to go up to the SNES 9X channel installer, and we're going to do the same thing we just did with the other ones. Go to load. And you're going to click on install. And give that a second to install. And you're done here, you click OK. Okay, now you want to scroll over to the left until you see, keep going, until you see the FCE Ultra GX channel installer, and you want to install that. So you're going to load that up. Okay, you want to click on install as usual. Give it a second. Okay, you're done. You click OK. It should take you back out. Okay, now from here you press the home button and you go to exit to system menu. Okay, as you can see, if we scroll to the right, we have quite a few more channels here than we had to begin with. Now, if you want to move the channels around, all you have to do is highlight the channel and hold down the A and B at the same time and drag it to whatever slot you want, and then just let it go. And that's pretty much all there is to it.